So I'm leaving an audition now, and it was a very strange situation, but I didn't want it to mess me up in the head. First of all, we waited 20 minutes, which is unusual because this office is pretty on time. No big deal. So I go in and they say, any questions? I did have a question, but I didn't want it to mess me in the head, so I said no. And then I did my thing. They gave me a couple redirects. I think the person behind the camera was kind of new, so she needed a little help. And then when I was done, I said, I do have a question. 2 weeks ago, I helped a friend with the same role. What's going on? And they said, oh, well, this role, there's 4 people with the same job title in the storyline. And the writers want 4 different people. So that's why we're casting 4 different people with the same piece of script. Like, oh, okay. And I said, it's weird. I said, because we're completely different types. And they said, yeah, everybody's a little bit different. So at first I was not, I don't know, scared. I was scared to ask the question, but I thought I got nothing to lose. This is not a secret. This is not a lie. It's the truth. That's really what it is. And how could they not know that somebody was going to come across this, right? And they answered, which is really cool. You know, if you've got an honest question that's not putting them on the spot, just ask it. The worst they can say is, oh, we can't get into that. But they did. They told me. Ask and you shall receive an answer.